Hello everybody, my name is Anna. I'm an exchange student in Sangmyung University and today I'm gonna show you one of our outdoors Korean cultural classes.
Until 1975, that was the main government.
Finally, we are almost there, so we are going to see some old pictures of this palace.
You have to use your imagination. Because this palace used to be really, really big.
There is a theory that King Sejong died because of traditional Korean drink shike, so we decided to try this traditional drink in this cafe. This is local coffee shop. We will try shike here, and also we can buy some souvenirs. It's really beautiful.
Bar for foreigners.